Understanding the idiom, sold a lemon. Hello, and welcome to today's English language learning session. In this video, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, sold a lemon. This is a colorful idiom that you might come across in everyday English conversations, and understanding it can really add some zest to your language skills. When someone says they were sold a lemon, they're not talking about the fruit market. This phrase is actually a metaphor used to describe a situation where a person has bought something that is defective or does not meet their expectations. Originally, it referred to cars that frequently broke down or had hidden faults, but now it can apply to any purchase. The term lemon has been associated with things of poor quality since the early 20th century. It's believed that the phrase, sold a lemon, stems from the British slang term, lemon, which meant something that was worthless. Over time, it crossed over to the American lexicon, particularly in the used car industry. You can use this idiom in a sentence like, I can't believe I was sold a lemon. This laptop keeps crashing. It's important to note that this phrase is often used in informal settings and might not be appropriate for formal discussions. Let's put the phrase into context with some examples. After the phone I bought online turned out to be faulty, I realized I was sold a lemon. Jane's new car was in the shop again. She definitely got sold a lemon. And that's a wrap on the phrase, sold a lemon. I hope this video has clarified its meaning and you feel confident using it in your own conversations. Remember, not everything that glitters is gold, and not every deal is as sweet as it seems. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.